Woodpeckers in Orangedale. It's in St. Johns County. You have to check this barbecue joint out. It is really small. It is personally owned by a lady named Lisa, and I had the honor of meeting her. She was so nice and very helpful, and as we went inside, she was actually in the kitchen helping out. So you know things are going to be right when the owner's in the kitchen. Biker that's coming for Bike Week, or if you're visiting Jacksonville, this is a little out of the way, or if you're headed south, a great spot for you to visit. So hope to see you here. I live right down the street, so this is an awesome spot. See you soon. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, like us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter. We can't wait to connect with you and show you all the fun things here in the South. But you never know where we might be. See you later. Bye. Say bye, Raimi. Bye-bye.